Hello guys, it's Ria here and welcome back. And those who are new viewers, welcome. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell for more such amazing videos. And in today's video, we will be discussing about RAM. RAM, what is DDR, why is RAM also called a memory, can you store files in the RAM, what is GB and how much GB RAM we need. And all these questions will be answered. This is our episode Tech Knowledge 2. So yeah. So, yes, guys. So, let's start with the RAM. So, what is RAM? So, RAM is also called random access memory. So, RAM is an brother or say, sister or sibling of ROM. ROM is a read only memory. So, in your phone, in your laptop, in your tablet, you have both RAM and ROM. Well, ROM is a little high. If you have ROM could be 100 GB or 64, 32, 8 GB are still some users 16 GB, and in laptops you could find 210 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB. So TB is terabyte, so that 1 TB is equal to 1024 GB. So it's actually knowledge for you. So yeah, so RAM is, why is RAM important? So let us assume RAM as a petrol. So in your previous video we talked about processor, and processor is engine of a car, and RAM is a engine is a petrol. So why I'm saying is if you have too strong processor or too heavy processor, and you don't have too much RAM, you have 1 GB RAM or 2 GB RAM, then your processor could also lag. The point being, when you open an application, your processor processed it and it's open in your RAM. Yeah, it opens up in your desktop, but also your RAM is used, some amount of RAM is used. And when you're using it in your app or in the software, again your RAM is used. So when full of the RAM is consumed and still you want to open one more software, it doesn't open. It's very rare. Actually, your processors are now very intelligent. If you want to open when your RAM is fully consumed, then they kill the first application that you open. So those who don't know what is killing of the application is completely removed. So if you are running 2 to 3 or 4 process at the same time and your RAM doesn't support it, then it won't run and the first processor gets out of the list. So that's what of your RAM. So next is DDR. So DDR is not amount of the RAM. DDR means double data read. So that's the full form of DDR. So DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, and we have now finally reached DDR4. So that's like generation of RAM. In phone you have 2G, 3G, 4G, and now we are thinking about 5G. So that's also generation of RAM. The fourth generation RAM is DDR4. So 2 GB DDR3 RAM, and if we compare it with 2 GB DDR4 RAM, then 2 GB DDR4 RAM will be more sufficient or more uh, powerful. So that's what about DDR. So now it's talking about why is RAM also called memory in your laptop. We could also see RAM is also denoted as a memory. So yeah, RAM is a temporary memory. ROM is permanent memory that you should know. So you download application is downloaded in your ROM, not your RAM. And talking about RAM, when you open it, when you process the app or software, then RAM is used. So that was knowledge for it. So it's also called temporary memory. So yeah, RAM is considered as memory, and ROM is also said as storage. Now let we skip this question and let's move to the next question. What is GB? So GB is the amount of RAM. So I already said, starting with 512 GB, 512 MB RAM, we have 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB available for 6, 8, 16. Some could also use 10, 12, many. And the most amount of RAM is actually now, if you're talking about too costly store still, then you won't believe that we have 1 TB RAM available. Yeah, but you cannot purchase it. The point being, the RAM is used in very, very, very too large processors such as processing of Google and big companies. So actually here you don't actually need 1 terabyte RAM. If you took 1 terabyte RAM, let us assume, then actually your device won't support it. To support, you need one more. So your device also won't support it, and to support it, you need to take device, and your total cost would be in not in crores, it would be in billions and trillions. Actually, a normal people cannot afford it, and normal people doesn't even require it. To run WhatsApp, to run few application, to run game. Why do you need 1 terabyte RAM? Okay, if you want to build a gaming PC, then okay, you could go with 32 GB RAM. That's too enough, more than enough. Okay, and that's much actually enough. So that's the answer. What is GB? I will give answer. That's the storage, temporary storage available, and how much GB I have said. Maximum 32 GB is enough in gaming PCs. In laptops, 16 is okay, too good. If you go with 32 or more than 16, it's also okay. Talking about mobile phones or smartphones or tablets, 6, 8, and also we have 10 or 14 is too enough, more than enough. And actually, believe me, if you are a normal user, you just want to open a call for calls, and you want to open up your WhatsApp and few applications, then 1 GB is also enough. Yeah, talking about 512 MB, so that's half a GB, and it's not enough because it would give some lags with it. So that's first thing. And next thing comes with, can we store files in a RAM? So the clear cut answer is no. You cannot store files in the RAM. RAM is used to open files but not store files. To store files, you have to ROM, and there are two types of ROM: hard disk, solid state drive, and hard disk drive. So actually, I am going to make a video on Tech Knowledge 3 episode, and that I will clear all your doubts. So that's all for today, guys. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment.